Want to work with real-time data from other cloud and on-premise systems in SAP Analytics Cloud? Live connections make it possible securely without replicating your data. Live data connections need to be set up here before they're available for users to base new models on. A range of live sources is available by default, including SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, on-premise SAP BPC and SAP BW systems, and Universe or Webby documents, and both on-premise and cloud SAP HANA and S/4HANA systems. Connections to other sources are supported by the APOS Live Data Gateway, available from the SAP App Center. Here, for example, the Cloud Platform option allows you to connect to SAP HANA Cloud, while the Direct and Tunnel options are used for connecting to on-premise systems. Keep in mind that before you can successfully create a live connection in SAP Analytics Cloud, you may need to do some configuration on the source system. To create a direct connection, you need to set up same-site cookie configuration between the source system and SAP Analytics Cloud. Some direct connections also require cross-origin resource sharing, or CORS. You can use tunnel connections when you want some users outside your corporate network to connect to live data without giving them VPN rights. For tunnel connections, you would need to configure the SAP Cloud Platform Cloud Connector. Check out the links in the description for more details about the specific connections you want to configure. Most connections allow you to set the default language. If you don't choose a default, users will view content based on the language in their user profiles. Next, there are a few different authentication methods available. For most sources, the options are SAML single sign-on, which lets SAP Analytics Cloud authorize users based on permissions already set up in the source system, or username and password, which requires users to enter their credentials to connect to the source system. To use single sign-on, SAP Analytics Cloud and the source system need to use the same identity provider. The None option allows you to configure single sign-on when SAML authentication isn't available. With this option, you can use whichever authentication type is configured on your SAP HANA system. S/4HANA Cloud connections use OAuth 2.0 bearer assertions for authentication. For this connection type, you need to download a signing certificate from SAP Analytics Cloud and add it to your S/4HANA Cloud system. Details about these different authentication options are linked in the video description. Now the connection is complete and available as a source to create a live model. When you create a model based on a live source, you choose the connection type, the connection, and the specific data source you want to work with. The options vary depending on the connection type. Here, you can review the available measures and dimensions, and hide or group dimensions if you want. When you're done, you can save the model. Keep in mind that models based on live data sources don't support all the features available for imported data sources. For more details about what you can do with live models, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.